In this video, we're going to learn to import stock prices from Alpha Vantage into Airtable. You can see here I've got a list of stock tickers in my stocks table. So the next thing I need to do is install the Data Fetcher app from the Airtable app marketplace. Once you've installed it in your base, you need to sign up for a free Data Fetcher account or sign into your existing account. Then click on Create Your First Request. And for application, select Alpha Vantage. You then need to grab your Alpha Vantage API key. So you can click here, which will take you to the Alpha Vantage support page. Then fill in your details and click Get Free API Key, and you'll see it here. Or you'll get an email with it. So then enter that API key into the API key input here. For endpoint, choose latest price for a stock, and then change the name to Fetch Stock Prices. Then click Save and Continue in the bottom right. Now for the stock symbol, we want to use the values from our ticker field in Airtable. So rather than typing a value in, click on this Add button on the right hand side. For field, select ticker and click Confirm. And you can see that's now got a reference to the ticker field in our stocks table. So you want the output table to be stocks as well, and then click Save and Run. You can toggle this so that we don't always see a warning, then click Continue. And then you can see the fields that come back from Alpha Vantage. And for each field we can either filter it out or import it, and we can see whether it will map to an existing field or a new field and what field type that will have. So I'm going to remove these ones at the end as well and keep all the prices as well as the volume, which is going to be mapped to a number field. So once you're happy with that, click Save and Run. Data Fetcher will then create those missing fields in our output table and then update the stock prices. So let's create a new table called Portfolio, then add a field called Stock that's linked to the stocks table. Then add a field called Price, which is a lookup field of the stock price. Then we can add the stocks that we own. Then add the number of shares that we own as a new field with type number. So let's say we have 10, 6, 4. Then finally we're going to add the value of those shares. So use a formula field for this, and it's quite simply the price times the shares. And we're going to set the formatting on that to currency. So now we can see that we've got the value of each of our holdings as well as the total value of our stock portfolio in the summary bar here.